I want to be honest about something right at the start. I am not a meal prep influencer. I don't spend 4 hours on Sunday arranging perfectly portioned containers in rainbow color order. My meal prep looks nothing like that. It's messier, it's faster, and it's built around one thing: making sure that when Monday through Friday gets chaotic, I always have something real to eat without having to think too hard about it. I run a real estate business. I've got showings and clients calls stacked back to back some days, and lunch used to be whatever I could grab between appointments. That system took me a while to figure out, and it wasn't until I stopped trying to make it look like what I saw online that it actually started working. Today, I want to give you the concept behind it. I'm Miguel, this is Hi-Fi Fit. What's up everyone, I'm Miguel and welcome back to Hi-Fi Fit. This channel is built around 5 pillars: move it, mind right, eat well, rest and recover, and real life. Everything I put out lives inside one of those 5 categories, because real wellness isn't just about the gym, it's about building a life that actually works for you. I'm a business professional, a Houston realtor, a business owner, and a veteran. I gained about 30 pounds before I decided something had to change. Now I use AI and simple systems to make health fit into my real life, not disrupt it. If that sounds like something you need right now, hit subscribe and come along for the ride. Let's get into today's video. Let me start with why a lot of people's meal prep attempts fail. And it's not a motivation problem, it's not a complexity problem. The version of meal prep that gets shown on social media is designed for a photo, not for real life. 12 perfectly measured containers, 4 hours of cooking, a detailed spreadsheet. I tried a version of that early on. I bought the containers, I made the spreadsheet, I set aside my whole Sunday afternoon for it. It lasted exactly 2 weeks before I burned out on the process. And when meal prep fails, you go back to figuring it out food on the fly every day. Figuring it out food on the fly when you're busy is how you end up in the drive-through 4 times a week. Not because you don't care, but because there's nothing ready and you're starving by the time you remember to eat. And this one is on me specifically. My spouse handles most of the cooking at home in the evenings, and honestly, he is better at it than I am. But weekday lunches during a busy real estate week are a different story. Nobody's cooking me lunch between showings. That's on me, which is exactly why I had to build something that didn't depend on motivation or free time showing up on the right day. My mornings already start early. I walk Gracie and Rusty before work no matter what. Then I'm training, then I'm on the road to a showing or a client call before 10. By the time lunch rolls around, my brain has already made 100 decisions that day. Asking myself to also figure out food from scratch in that window is exactly where the whole thing used to fall apart. The spreadsheet version assumed I had a calm, predictable day to plan around. My actual days are not calm or predictable, so the system had to be built for the version of my week that actually happens, not the version I wish I had. This is something we get into a lot inside the Hi-Fi Fit community, because everybody's version of busy looks different. Some of you are managing a household between where one person wants to lose weight and the other one just wants to eat normal. Some of you are running a business like I am. The system has to bend around your actual life, not the other way around. Members get AI tools that build a plan around your specific schedule and the foods you actually eat. Weekly live Q&As and a group of people working through the same stuff in real time. $9 a month or $78 for the year. Founding members lock in the price for life. HiFiFit.club. Also, just a friendly reminder, I'm a Houston realtor, so please contact me about any of your real estate needs, whether it's in the Houston market or anywhere in the US. My contact information is in the description. The version I run now takes somewhere between 45 minutes and 90 minutes, depending on the week. It's not complicated and it does not require advanced cooking skills. I'll be the first to tell you my cooking skills are very basic. We're talking a sheet pan, a stove pan, and an oven timer. That's about it. And out of everything I do each week to support this whole thing, this is the one habit that matters the most. Here's the core concept behind it. I call it protein anchors and flexible sites. The protein anchors are 2 proteins I cook in bulk at the start of the week. For me, that's usually chicken breast and ground beef. Those are two of the five proteins I actually eat and rotate through regularly, along with eggs, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese. Quick side note, I don't do the egg white thing. I just eat the whole egg. Keeping this real is kind of the whole point of this channel. The flexible sides are the simple additions, rice, a vegetable, whatever's in the fridge that I either prep minimally or just grab as needed through the week. The anchors make the big decision in advance, so I am never standing there wondering what to eat. The sides keep the meals from getting boring by Thursday. Now, the complete weekly meal prep system I use, the exact proteins, and how I season each one, the pantry staples that make the whole week work without extra grocery runs, the AI meal planning prompt that builds the week around your specific goals and the foods you actually eat, and the step-by-step Sunday prep sequence that gets everything done in under 90 minutes. All of that is inside the High Five Fit community. Members get the High Five Fit weekly meal prep guide, the complete system waiting for you at highfivefit.club. Once again, I'm your Houston realtor, so please contact me about any of your real estate needs, whether it's in the Houston market or anywhere in the US. What I'll tell you here is what made the biggest difference for me beyond the food itself, and that's the mental relief. When I know what I'm eating this week, I don't spend mental energy throughout the day thinking about food. I'm not standing in front of the fridge at noon with decision fatigue between client calls. I'm not getting to dinner hungry and reaching for whatever's easiest. That's a successful week, not a failed one. The food is handled, and that mental space goes back to everything else I need to be thinking about. Closings, showings, my own training that day. I still run my week through MyFitnessPal just to keep an eye on my protein target, but the actual decision of what to eat gets made once on Sunday instead of 5 separate times during a busy week. And the 80-20 rule applies here just like everywhere else on this channel. If 4 out of 5 weekday lunches are prepped and intentional, and one of them is a rotisserie chicken from Costco because you run out of time, that is a successful week, not a failed one. I still eat pizza, wings, and pupusas when I want them. That's the 20. This system isn't about being perfect Monday through Friday. It's about making sure the default option during your busiest days is something real instead of whatever's closest and fastest. Progress over perfection every single time. Once again, I'm here to help you with any of your real estate needs. My contact info is in the description. Come join us at highfivefit.club. The weekly meal prep guide PDF is there, along with the AI meal prep tools that build your plan around the foods you actually eat. Weekly live Q&As, real recipes with macro breakdowns, and a community doing this work together. $9 a month or $78 for the year. Founding members lock in that price for life. No contracts cancel anytime. Make sure you contact me for any of your real estate needs. Save this and share it with someone who keeps saying they want to eat better but doesn't know where to start. This is the starting point. Drop a comment telling me what your biggest challenge with meal prep has been. I read every single one. Subscribe to High Five Fit. Make sure you give me a like, follow, and come be part of the journey. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, miguel.highfivefit. I will see you in the next one. Not medical advice. Talk to your doctor or dietitian about what nutritional approach works best for you.